Hi, I'm Dr. Pallavi Sarji Uthkarsh. We talk so many procedures, so many techniques, so many cosmetic products for healthy hair, skin and healthy body. But does yoga has any role for the skin, hair health and overall well-being? I would say 100%. I would say then 200% yes. Yoga definitely has lot of benefits for healthy skin, hair and body and overall well-being too. But how? Yoga not only just works externally, it does work internally on many organs as well as on endocrine glands, which play important role in skin and hair health, especially thyroid gland, which affects your hair and skin health. So thus, doing yoga basically helps in increasing the oxygen which is required for every cell to perform to its maximum best. It reduces the oxidative stress in your body, increases the antioxidant level. As a result, it is a good anti-inflammatory and anti-aging agent or a tool. By regulating the hormones, as I said, basically the thyroid hormone, it improves the health of the hair as well as skin. So if I had to tell you few simple postures or the must do yoga steps or asanas for healthy hair and skin, I would recommend every day please do 6 sets of Surya Namaskars. Surya Namaskars are like, I would say, it's like, it's a nectar to your body. It gives you energy, it gives you the required oxygen, it stimulates your nervous system. So it basically increases the vigor in your body and makes your skin glowing. Then I would recommend you Bhujangasana, Paschimottasana, which basically stimulates your entire spinal cord and triggers your nerves and improves the blood circulation as well as increases oxygen supply to each and every cell to function better.